Hi friends, good evening. It's your Kalai, Grammar Kalai. Very happy to see you in this fine evening. Yesterday we learned silent letters in English. Day before yesterday also the same topic. We learned 5 letters I think. Today we are going to learn 8 letters. Silent G, silent GH, then silent H, then silent I, then silent K, then silent L, then silent M, then silent N. So today we are going to see 8 letters. First we will move to the silent letter G. In silent letter G there is a single rule, that is G is silent when it comes after the vowel sound or before N. For example, a sign, champagne, design, foreign. First we'll take this sign. The spelling of the sign is S-I-G-N, but here we are not pronouncing the letter G, just we are saying sign. And then one more we'll take design, D-E-S-I-G-N, design. The spelling is D-E-S-I-G-N. Here we are not pronouncing the letter G, simply we are saying design. So G is silent here. In this case there is some exceptions also. I have found 4 words. What is means signature, magnet, igneous, cognitive. Here we are pronouncing the words letter G. See, signature. So here we are pronouncing the letter G, S-I-G-N-A-T-U-R-E. In some of the letters there is some exceptions too. I have found only 4 letters. If you found many more letters, please suggest me. Okay, first we will see the example words for silent G. First one is align, second one is assign, third one is benign, fourth one is campaign, fifth one is champagne, sixth one is colon, seventh one is design, eighth one is foreign. Okay students, I think you may got it. Next we'll move to silent letter GH. That means the combination of 2 letters G and H. We'll see first. Okay, the combination of GH has 2 rules. First one is GH is not pronounced when it comes after a vowel sound. For example, thought, drought, through, tarau, daughter, light, might, sigh, right, fight, wait. In this case there is also some exceptions. For example, dog house, fog horn, big head. But if we note this examples keenly, we can find all the 3 exceptions are generally compound words. I think you all may know the compound words. 2 words combine and give a different meaning. Dog, house. So it contains 2 words. Dog one word, house one word. So dog, house. Here we are pronouncing the letter G. Okay, this is the exemptions. Next, rule 2. GH is sometimes pronounced like F. For examples, rough, tough, laugh, enough, cough, duff, then drought. Okay students. Okay, now we will move to the words, to the board. Silent GH, thought, drought, daughter, bright, light, wait, might, though. Okay students, we will move to the next letter, silent H. Silent H also having 3 rules. Okay, first one is H is not pronounced when it comes after W. That we all know, I think. The familiar words are, for examples, what, W-H-A-T, what, then when, then where, whether, why. Here we are not pronouncing the letter H, W-H-A-T, what, but we are pronouncing W-A-T, what. Is it no? So the second rule, sometimes H is not pronounced at the beginning of many words. For example, honest, or honor, air. Spelling of the honest is Honest. Here we are not pronouncing the H, simply we are saying honest. It take only O sound. Next, then rule number, here also some exemptions is there. Hill, history, height, happy, hereditary. Here these words are beginning with H, but it has the sound of H. So in some words there are some exemptions we can learn. Okay, next, third rule, sometimes H is not often pronounced by following these three letters. I mean the combination of three letters, CH, GH, or H. For example, we can take choir, CHOIR. We are not pronouncing the H, choir. Second one, echo. This comes under CH. Then GH, ghost. Ghost. Simply we are saying ghost, but spelling is GHOST. But we are saying ghost. Then next, in RH combination, rhythm, RHYTHM, but we are not pronouncing the H, rhythm, rhyme, etc. Okay, students. Now we'll move to the letter I. But we can feel happy. I has no much words. Only I can find only 2 words, but it may be many words, but I can find only 2 words. I is not usually silent except in a word, in 2 words, that is business, suit. Here in business, the spelling is BUSINESS, but we are not pronouncing the letter I, just we are saying business. Then the same way suit also. Okay, we'll move to the next letter, K. K has only one rule. K is also very easy, but you all are familiar about K, I think. K is not pronounced when it come before N, letter N. For example, knife, no, knee, knock, not, knowledge, knuckle. Here the spelling of the knife is KNIFE, but simply we are saying NIFE sound. So here we are not pronouncing the letter K. So knife. Okay, students, we'll move to the board. For silent H, I didn't read the words or the board. I'll continue that, then I'll go to the silent K. Silent letter H. What, where, honest, honor, ache, chemical, chrome, echo, ghost, rhyme. Okay, now we'll move to the silent K. Here are the same word, knife, no, knock, knowledge, not, knickers, and last one is knuckle. Okay, students, now we'll move to the letter L. L has also only one rule. Commonly, L is not pronounced after the vowels A, O, and U. For example, cough, half, chalk, talk, like that. But here is also some exemptions is there. In some places we are pronouncing the L. For example, ball, BALL, ball. Here we are pronouncing the letter L. Ball, hill, hall, result, gold, spell, like these words. It goes on. But only one simple rule. It is not pronounced after the vowels A, O, U. Okay. Here, okay, students. Now we'll move to the board. Silent L. Cough, half, walk, talk, chalk, bomb, could, should, would, salmon. Last one is salmon, not salmon. Last one is salmon. Okay, friends, we'll move to the letter M. There are not many words with M, silent M. Only one word is there, that is mnemonic. But the spelling of the letter is M-N-E-M-O-N-I-C. But we are not pronouncing the first letter, the beginning of the letter M. We are not pronouncing that. Just we are saying as a mnemonic. Only one word is there. Okay. Next, we'll move to silent letter N. It has also only one rule. N is not pronounced if a word ends in M. I mean after M. Okay. For example, atom. Atom, that's not a A-T-O-M atom. That is a A-U-T-U-M-N atom. That is a season. Season atom. Oh, atom, column, condemn, dam, hymn. We'll move to the board now. Atom, A-U-T-U-M-N. But just we are saying atom. N is silent. Next, column, C-O-L-U-M-N. But we are saying column. Next, condemn, then dam, then hymn, then solemn. So friends, today we learnt 8 letters, I think. But have you all got this? Okay, today I went off fast I think, because still few more letters are there that we'll see tomorrow. If you have any suggestions or comments or doubts, please post me in comment box. If you like this video, please like, and if you think it is useful, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you.